Add roasted beets and cottage cheese to this pancake recipe for a boost of nutrition and a pop of color. Impress your guests with these amazing looking pancakes at your next brunch. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. Preferably the night before, place your beets in an aluminum foil pouch, bake them at 400 degrees for an hour, and then let them cool overnight in the fridge. The next day, you'll be amazed at how easily they are to peel with a spoon. To start the pancake batter, combine in a small food processor the cottage cheese and 1 cup of small cubed roasted beets. Place the lid on the food processor and use the pulse function to start processing the ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of the milk from the recipe to those ingredients to help the mixture become even smoother. Make sure to scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula for best results. Pour the pureed beet mixture into a large bowl, and to that you'll add your eggs, vanilla, and brown sugar. Whisk until smooth, and then add in the rest of the milk and the melted butter. For the dry ingredients, combine in a separate bowl the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk to combine those ingredients well. Then place the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients and whisk them together until just combined and still lumpy. On a 350 Fahrenheit griddle or non-stick pan, melt in some butter and measure out 1/2 cup of batter for each pancake. This will give you about a 5-inch pancake, so feel free to use different amounts of batter for different sized pancakes. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until lightly golden, flip, and then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Stack up those pancakes and serve with some maple syrup, butter, fresh berries, or your favorite toppings. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Make sure to click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.